How to use locked staking on Binance. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be giving you a tutorial on Binance locked staking, how to use it, and what are the different features and tools we get. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to Binance.com and you will get on this platform right here. Binance is world's leading crypto platform that allows you to buy, sell, and trade in crypto. On Binance, we not only get the selling and buying crypto option, but we can also get different trading options. We have futures trading, derivatives, staking, and an NFT marketplace. Today, we will be focusing on Binance locked staking and we'll check out different tools available. Before we get into the video, I just want to clarify that this video is not a financial advice and I'm not a financial advisor. Trading and staking involves a high degree of risk and whether you afford to lose money or not. So make sure that you truly understand staking and trading, and then you can simply use Binance because it has a lot of different features and tools for us. This video is a Binance platform tutorial and I will show you how to use Binance to do locked staking. That being said, let's get into the video. First thing that you need to do is you will simply open up Binance.com and then you will actually have to register if you do not have an account. So registration process is really easy. Just click on register and it will take you to sign up for Binance. Now we can sign up with our phone, email, or we can use our Apple and Google account. If you want to use your phone and email, which is the easiest way, you will be able to simply set up a password and create an account. You can create an individual account or a business account as well, but a simple account will give you all the options. Keep in mind that you will have to verify your email, verify your phone number, and verify your identity to get an account on Binance because of course it involves high risk and it has a lot of different trading and crypto options. So once you have verified your account and you have an account on Binance, then you will be able to enjoy locked staking. To get to staking, you can go to earn and then click on staking option. And here we are, Binance staking. The first option is locked staking and then we're also getting a DeFi staking, but we will be covering locked. What is locked staking? In simple words, we can lock our coins on a certain blockchain until we like and we simply earn rewards for it. For example, the more coins you will lock on a blockchain, the more rewards you will win. So it's really handy for some people and it helps us make a lot of profit by just locking our coins on a certain blockchain. So I will show you how to do that on Binance. Now, once you are on locked staking, the first step is going to be selecting one of the tokens. And you can see right here, more than 100 locked staking products are available on Binance. You can check all the tokens right here. The EST APY will be given here, duration and days, and then we have minimum locked amount. So this is like the minimum amount you can lock on a certain token. So this is going to be the duration, the actual period that assets are transferred back to your spot wallet. Now, we can not only add our coins, but we can add any kind of and lock any kind of asset. So let's scroll down and check out different options available. So we have BNB, Mina, we have Sand, okay, BTTC, Neo, Reef, okay. We have AVAX, then we have CLV, Cake, Chess, FEO, ONT. So these are the different tokens available. Now you will select any of the token that you want and you can simply, lock on it. So you can see some of them will be sold out. For example, BNB, and you can see it is sold out and you cannot stake now on this one. The ones available will say stake now. So let's go ahead and select the one which is available right now. Let's just go with the first one. Again, I'm not suggesting any of the token assets or anything. I'm just showing you around. So let's say that I want to check this one out. I want to stake. So just click on stake now. And it will take you to your staking option and you will be able to stake on it. If you want to check a certain coin or a token, you can just click on it and check it out as well. Similarly, we can check different and compare different tokens as well. So this is how locked staking work on Binance. It's really easy. And we can also, check different duration days. So if you're going with, of course, 30 days, let's say, then your estimate APY is going to be 5.79%. This is for this token right here at the time of making this video. If I go with 60 days, then it will increase to 8.99%. And then if I go with 90 days, then it's going to be 59.69%. And after 90 days, my asset will be returned to my spot wallet. So this way you can actually check that which of the different tokens and products are giving you more estimated APY and which will actually help you make more profit in less time. For example, we have this one and we're getting a 120 option for this one, 120 days, and you can see it's giving us 29%. You can also check the airdrop gas option from here. So we're also getting this warming option right here for this token here. Then make sure to check the minimum locked amount. For the most of tokens, it is going to be 0.1 or maybe 1. And you can simply, check them out from here. And if you even have like 0.2, then you will be able to lock your coin and then earn your profit on it. Of course, the more coins you will have, the more assets you will have, the more percentage you will get, and the more profit you will get. It's not like you're investing 2 and you're making the same profit as a person who invested 10. So that's, of course, a person, and it's relative to your coins and assets that you have added. When it comes to searching, we can filter our search by display available only and match my assets. So if you go with match my assets, then it will show you just the tokens that match with your asset and where you will be able to lock your asset. Similarly, we can just go with display available only. That's what I like to do. And what happens is it just saves you time, and you can just check the ones that match with your assets and the one that are available. We also had DeFi staking. If I just quickly show you how it looks, it of course involves more risk, and this is a DeFi staking look, and you can check it out as well. But this tutorial locked staking. But both of these options are available right here, and it is dedicated to increasing user staking income. It gives you a lot of rewards, and you will be able to actually earn rewards and earn money using Binance by just locking your assets on a certain blockchain. It is all secure, and of course it involves risk. So make sure that you truly understand staking and you have the ability to risk. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to tell you everything about the topic, and I hope that you understood everything, and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question. That being said, it brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to do locked staking on Binance. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.